All right, so today we're gonna show you guys how to replace the lifter tip on a Lishi. This one's specifically KW1 Lishi. If you guys are heavy-handed, right, that lifter tip is gonna snap at some point. Here's what the replacement looks like. And on AKS, you guys are gonna look for item number 10701. And I think for most all the Rescom Lishis, these are available for you guys to buy. So first we're gonna remove our tensioner. There's just a little set screw here in the back. And then it slides right off. And then there's these two little spot welds where the Lishi comes together. And all we're gonna do is take a Dremel and we're gonna try to break those spot welds. All right, and then we're just gonna try to pry it apart. Didn't work, so we're gonna go a little deeper. So the split's gonna look like that. And we're just gonna slide our lifter out. And this little piece right here is the only thing that holds it in. So we're gonna slide our new one in. All right, let's make sure it's all the way in there. And then button everything back up. That's it. Now you have a fully functional Lishi again.
For more information on American Key Supply, our products, services, and locksmith training courses, visit us at americankeysupply.com.